get ready for some celestial fun. The night sky is like nature's own personal fireworks show, and it's not just astronomy buffs who go wild. Everyone from romantics to movie lovers gets in on the action. Just think about it. Giving someone a star as a gift is like saying you're out of this world. But what if that star just so happens to be Betelgeuse? So, you're on a date and the guy tries to show off his astronomy skills. Guess which star he'd point out? That's right, the brightest one. But little does he know he just might be pointing at the coolest, most offbeat star in the night sky. I'm talking about Betelgeuse. This isn't just any star, it's a fiery red supergiant hiding in plain sight within the Orion constellation. You'll be the starstruck one when you learn that this celestial body is nestled right on Orion's shoulder. But here's the catch, your date's newfound stardom might be short-lived because scientists have noticed Betelgeuse slowly fading away. So, what's so exciting about Betelgeuse? Well, you might think it's just another fading star. But here's the thing, stars usually go out with a whimper before they blow their top in an epic explosion. Astronomers are on high alert because this could be one of those rare cosmic moments. Interestingly, humans have never gotten to witness a star blast with our telescopes. Until now, actually, we've been tracking Betelgeuse for centuries. The ancient Chinese astronomer Sima Qian wrote about it over 2,000 years ago in his book on celestial events. Fast forward to the 2nd century AD, and Ptolemy's research showed that Betelgeuse had transformed from a yellow glow into the red supergiant we know today. But what happens next? Will we get to see this star go out with a bang? Or will it fade away like so many others? The universe is keeping us on our toes. Here's what's happening with our star friend Betelgeuse. It's not just changing color, it's also speeding up its pace. We're talking about an incredible 5 kilometers per second. That's 4 times faster than the speed of a human toddler. Now, you might wonder why this is happening. Well, some scientists think they have the answer. Betelgeuse might have had a snack recently. That's right, it devoured its closest and much smaller stellar neighbor, proving in cosmic terms that it's definitely not a plant eater. In fact, space has just got itself another predator to keep an eye out for. But wait, there's more. Scientists have spotted yet another mind-blowing move from Betelgeuse. It's winking at us. That's right, this star is flashing its light like it's saying hello, or maybe even playing a game of cosmic hide and seek. Who knew stars could be so cool? But hold on to your spacesuits. Things are about to get intense with Betelgeuse. After showing off its speed and wink moves, this star has gone into hiding behind a thick layer of dust. And when stars do that, it usually means one thing: they're getting ready for the big finale. Stars can die in 2 ways. Either they quietly fade away or they blow their top with an epic explosion. Scientists think Betelgeuse is gearing up for the latter, and it could happen at any moment. But on a cosmic timeline, that's like next door. We're talking 100,000 years from now, which is basically yesterday in space terms. Or, if you want to get really specific, scientists say we might even see this explosive event as soon as 2022. So buckle up, folks, because Betelgeuse is about to put on the most epic cosmic show ever. Get ready for the cosmic spectacle of a lifetime. The impending explosion of Betelgeuse is going to light up our sky like no other event has since 1604, when Kepler's supernova blew its top. That ancient star was a whopping 20 times farther away from Earth than Betelgeuse. Talk about a close-up show. A supernova this close will be an astronomy dream come true, and the chances of seeing something like it again in our lifetime, 0.0. You might live for decades, centuries even, but trust us, you won't be around 100,000 years from now when this explosive display happens, or maybe not even until 2022. So, if you're lucky enough to witness the blast of Betelgeuse, consider yourself one of the rarest of cosmic observers, a stargazer who's caught a glimpse of the end-of-life fireworks of an entire star. Scientists are telling us that Betelgeuse's supernova won't have any major impact on our planet. It'll be more like a cosmic light show. But remember that big solar storm scare in 2012? Astronomers thought we were done for, but Earth dodged the bullet. Now imagine the tables turned. What if everything goes perfectly this time? And scientists have underestimated the potential effects of Betelgeuse's explosion on our world. A little food for thought as we wait for this once-in-a-lifetime event. Fingers crossed that it'll be all about awe-inspiring views and not a doomsday scenario. Hold up, let's flip the script. Scientists are downplaying the risk, but our planet's got a history with star explosions. It was way hotter back in the day. Fast forward to now and add some global warming to the mix. We might just be tossing Earth into a sizzling hot pot. But that's not all. This cosmic event could also wipe out our ozone layer, leaving us vulnerable to deadly solar and cosmic radiation. And if one of these relativistic jets gets launched in our direction, things get even wilder. These powerful beams travel at nearly the speed of light, so if it's headed straight for us, we've got a whole lot more to worry about than just watching a stunning sky show. Think about that dreamy night planning to surprise your date with the breathtaking glow of the stars. Now it's looking more like a front row seat to an intergalactic disaster. But here's another twist in our cosmic thriller. Scientists have already seen stars behaving totally out of character. Case in point, PTF-14His, which exploded and then just kept going. It shone bright for 600 days, then blew up all over again, and it ain't done yet. So, buckle up, because when it comes to star explosions, Mother Nature's got a few tricks up her sleeve. This stellar oddball is coming back from the dead, earning it a spooky nickname, Zombie Star. Don't worry though, no need to grab your crossbow and prepare for a fight like in The Walking Dead. These cosmic zombies aren't after humans. Instead, they'll unleash a barrage of radiation over and over again, making them one of the most extreme events in our universe. Just imagine if Earth faced a space zombie attack. It would certainly be a fatal blow to our home planet. But sadly, zombie planets remain firmly in the realm of science fiction. Let's do some cosmic math. Experts think that it'll take about 6 million years for the star explosion leftovers to reach our solar system. By then, those particles would be all over the place and moving pretty slow. At just 13 kilometers per second, a gentle breeze compared to the powerful gusts of our solar wind, which will easily blow them away. So, what's next on Betelgeuse's intergalactic performance schedule? Stay tuned for this hypothetical rundown riddle presents. Betelgeuse's Cosmic Show, January 2022. Mark your space calendars. The countdown begins. Humanity's eagerly anticipating Betelgeuse's otherworldly spectacle, way more than those dazzling New Year's fireworks. But there's just one problem. Our view of that superstar is still blocked by a thick layer of cosmic dust. As we inch closer to Valentine's Day, the chances for a starry smooch under supernova sparks seem slimmer than ever. Now, imagine the ultimate do-it-yourself project, boosting a star into an explosive extravaganza. Scientists are cooking up a crazy scheme to make this happen, firing oxygen and carbon-packed rockets at the star, sparking a massive energy release that would send shockwaves through space. Sounds like something straight out of Mythbusters, right? Although purely fictional for now, these wild ideas still have us wondering, could science fiction one day become science fact? But as time ticks on, some scientists are starting to lose hope and let this dream supernova. Hold on to your seat, because things just got real. As it turns out, a strange surge in neutrino flux from that infamous star, Betelgeuse, is sending shockwaves through the scientific community. With this sudden twist, it's clear that our hypothetical star-blowing scenario has turned into an impending reality. And we're talking a week away, folks. Get ready for takeoff, because May 1st might just become the most talked about date in space history. Newspapers are already buzzing, and scientists are scrambling to grab the best spot at those open-air cinemas to witness the ultimate celestial show. Day X has finally arrived. As we stand at the dawn of this cosmic moment, our star, Betelgeuse, is about to put on the most epic light show the universe has ever seen, and it's not a movie playing in those open-air cinemas anymore. This celestial spectacle will leave everyone breathless as the star explodes into a jaw-dropping display of energy and light. Hearts are racing, cameras are clicking, and stargazers are bracing themselves for the view of a lifetime, a once-in-a-millennium chance to witness the raw power of the cosmos in all its glory. It's noon and the world has never looked more alive. Grab your best view, whether you're on top of a house, in your favorite park, or just stepping out onto that balcony. Because this isn't about waiting for sunset. Betelgeuse is going to light up the day. Don't worry if you're not an astronomer, we don't need telescopes here. The explosion's power will make it impossible to miss, shining with a dazzling brightness of magnitude 9. Get ready to bear witness to something that'll leave us all speechless, as Betelgeuse unleashes its cosmic fury on the universe. Now it's time to get cozy with your partner in crime. Take their hand, press play on the Pixies' haunting tune, Where's My Mind, and step into that iconic final scene from Fight Club where Edward Norton's character and Helena Bonham Carter's Marla find solace in each other. As you bask in the surreal atmosphere of rebellion and nonconformity, look up to witness Betelgeuse blaze across our sky, outshining all but two celestial bodies, only eclipsed by the radiant sun itself. It's officially the third brightest object illuminating our world right now. As night falls, our starry companion, that's right, we're still talking about Betelgeuse lighting up the sky, keeps getting brighter and outshining the moon. This mesmerizing glow can hang around for several months, but let's get real, by day 3, you might find yourself looking at it a little less, or maybe you'll be glued to that window until this surreal spectacle fades away. The magic of having an infamous bioexorcist twinkling in the night sky is, after all, short-lived. Fast forward to telling tales of this extraordinary moment to your little ones. How Betelgeuse lit up not only the sky, but also your life in ways you never thought possible. The next almost year-long countdown begins. It's time to plan an unforgettable adventure. And what better way than a stargazing date that'll leave your special someone starstruck? When the night arrives, and you whisper those magical words, "Let's look at the stars," it's going to be all about them. This cosmic display is their celestial love letter. You're up for a fun challenge. I'll point out Betelgeuse, and then you pick any